uniting the races with truth instead of dividing them with lies. We're also rebuilding the family by rebuilding the man. I am Jesse Lee Peterson. Welcome to the third hour of the show today. You can get involved by calling 888-7753-773, 888-77-JESSE, JESSE. For those who may think it's JESSIE or something dumb. Anyway, every Wednesday, we're here 3 hours a day, Monday through Friday. Every Wednesday, the last hour of the show is Manhood Hour. What is a man? What is a man?
It's an adult human male.
Manhood for Hillary or President Trump?
I voted for Hillary Clinton.
Oh, beta male. A man is a male who turned to man. Alpha male. Live right, be right, and lead the way. My experts are here. So, James,
yes.
What does it mean to be a Christian?
It means you're like Jesus. Like Jesus.
And what does that mean? You're supposed to be like Jesus?
Told the truth to people, he spread hope and different things like that. He was solid.
Oh, okay. What amazing. Isn't that amazing? That's the hate report. And by the way, the hate report is coming up in the next hour at 9 a.m. Pacific time today. Stay tuned for it right here, all right? The hate report. So,